Okay guys, there's a video that I'm working on that is taking a little bit of time, so I saw that maybe I should hop on something else, and that is how YouTubers get paid. Tell me if this is not insane to you. This video makes $3 and it has 6,000 views, and this other video makes $2 and it's just 700 views. Tell me if this doesn't make you question YouTube. For those of you guys who really want to know how YouTubers get paid, you can even get paid with 50 subscribers. But the thing is, to get monetized by YouTube itself, it takes time. It doesn't take time necessarily for everyone, but to my side it took time. Sorry about the lighting, the trees were like swaying around the window. But again, there are some requirements that YouTube usually give to those people who want to make money on YouTube, or maybe get monetized and get actually paid by YouTube itself. So you have to meet the monetization requirements. With me, I met the monetization requirements, I think last year, end of last year. Almost a year since I got monetized. I'll be doing a video of how much YouTube has paid me since then, but now we want to focus on how much YouTubers are getting paid for 1,000 views. So I recently had a video that got me like 5k views. I think we will look on that video, and then we'll also look on the CPM, RPM and all of that, and just break all the YouTube thing down for you. Sorry, I'm having cold. So first of all, in order to make money on YouTube, you have to be having a channel. So in order to have a channel, you have to create one using the YouTube app. You can use it on your phone, anywhere. Yeah, after creating the channel, you can ask your friends to start following you on your channel, and then you can start uploading videos that are helpful. Okay, once you get monetized, videos will start showing on your videos. There are mid-roll videos, there are pre-roll videos, there are post-roll videos, there are overlay videos. There are so many types of displays that usually appear on YouTube. Whenever you watch a video on YouTube, you can see different ads popping up, maybe in the beginning, maybe in the middle, in the end. Some of them are just underneath the video, some of them are within the video. So it depends on how YouTube decides to distribute, the ads within someone's videos. So that is how people get money through monetization on YouTube. So whenever you watch those videos, someone else is getting paid, the owner of that video, that person talking through the video. Google and YouTube are in partnership, so Google AdSense gets to pay the YouTubers. So in order to get monetized, you have to go through Google AdSense. I talk about them in other videos when it comes to making money through YouTube. I'll share the videos up here or maybe in the description. Okay, another thing you need to know when it comes to YouTube, being monetized on YouTube, is that different geographical locations differ. Like how YouTube pays people in Kenya differs from how it pays people in Uganda, how it pays people in South Africa, and all of that. So it just depends on your locality, I think, and even how you generate views depends on people who live around you, because most of the time YouTube recommends the videos to people who are around you first. When you're starting out, it starts showing the videos to people who are around you, and then it will spread its wings to other viewers. So again, when it comes to YouTube, you have to go through for search content when you're starting out in order to get ranked. Exactly, in order to get ranked in search, so that if someone searches for something on YouTube, they are actually going to get your video and watch it, and hopefully you get the money. Sorry. Your videos always accumulate like watch time, so watch time also matters when it comes to being monetized. How long people take when they watch your videos. If it is a 10-minute video, do they watch it all through, or maybe are they getting stuck at the first minute? And what brings that? What is the reason why people get stuck in the first minute of your videos? So those are the things that YouTube usually consider. And if YouTube is recommending your videos on the browse features, how are your subscribers behaving with the videos that you upload? Are they clicking on it, or are they ignoring? Like at what rate do they click on your videos? So that one also amounts to how much the video will be spread out. I think it's time now we get to know how much YouTubers get paid for 1,000 views. I want to take a video that got a little bit of traffic. We're going to compare it with other videos, but first there are some other CPMs that perform better than others when it comes to YouTube. So the CPMs that perform better than others are like making money online, finance niche, travel niche, things like that. You know, when it comes to making money online and finance niche, getting views in those niches, guys, it takes time and it takes like a lot of commitment. If you like the video, please make sure you like it, subscribe, turn on post notification so you don't miss whenever I upload new videos. Okay, you don't want to miss on these, like the things that I upload on this channel. You guys, if people come to realize about them, they'll really make good use of them, and I pray that you guys be some of the beneficiaries. Okay, it's free content unless you want more. When it comes again to YouTube paying YouTubers, it depends with your location. I say that. So let me say, like in the United States, they pay people more than Kenya, because in the United States they have a lot of disposable income, and then most of them do their things online. They are like advanced in technology and stuff, so most of the people do their things online, and then when they do their things online, they're actually getting paid more. So if you find a company, they get to advertise online on a YouTube channel, or maybe they pay YouTube to advertise their things for them. So there are so many companies that do the same out there, even small businesses. But when it comes to a third world country like ours, which is Kenya, there are a few people that are willing to do that, or maybe even having the knowledge of doing that. There are a few people who just have the knowledge of, you know, using the YouTube platform actually. So that makes the difference. And again, when it comes to those other countries, like other continents, like maybe say the United States, people have disposable income, you know, they can easily use their money to do stuff. But with us, we don't have a lot of disposable. That's why our CPM is low and their CPM is high. I hope that makes sense for you guys. So I'm going to dive deep into how much YouTube pays for 1,000 views. And this is a money making channel. I make content on making money online, affiliate marketing and all of that. So mind you, that one is the highest CPM when it comes to YouTube. So you can guess how much other channels, like channels that review stuff, or maybe channels that make pranks or something, from looking at my channel, you will already know how much they get paid, and you'll sympathize with most of them. So actually, let me show you guys my screen. Welcome to my YouTube studio dashboard. We are currently at 2,374 subscribers, and I'm so grateful for each one of you who took the time to subscribe. Thank you very much. I don't take it for granted, by the way. And going straight to check on the analytics of our first video that we wanna refer to, as you can see, the video currently has like 6,000 views, 6,100 views, yeah. And when we check on the revenues tab, we can see how much it has accumulated since it got published, and that is $3.40, which is low in my opinion. So let's check on the CPM, which is the amount that the advertisers are willing to pay for every 1,000 views on this particular video, and that amount is $1.48. While the RPM, which is the money that I actually get paid for every 1,000 best playbacks, is about 0.57. So crazy, right? And these numbers are from a money making channel, so you can imagine how much other channels are making, you guys. Okay, when we go to the audience tab of the video itself, we find that most viewers of the video reside in Kenya, and like I said, third world countries and YouTube are like water and oil. Yeah, when we compare this to other video, I noticed a huge difference. So let's check on this video. Currently it has 764 views, and the amount that we have accumulated so far is $2.10. Crazy, right? Which is totally different from the other video, you guys. So its CPM is around $6.45 and the RPM is $2.75. So I'm getting paid $2.75 for every 1,000 views. It's different from the other one by far, right? So do you guys notice the difference? And when you check where most audience reside, we find it's in the United States. We even have Canada in the list. So I hope this video helps you understand how YouTube really works. There is a huge difference when it comes to your audience. When your audience reside in those big countries, I think it helps you get more money. I hope this helps. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I hope I didn't offend anyone by saying how much YouTube is paying YouTubers, because this is just something that has to be out there. If people keep on asking me, why don't I just put a video out there and tell them? So yeah, this is one of the videos that most people really wanted from me, and I've already told you guys how much YouTube pays for 1,000 views. It depends with your viewers. If you love the video and you got help from it, and you'd like also to support my content, make sure you like the video, subscribe down there for more content from me. And if you need any type of coaching, any type of questions that you have personally, I have a join button down there. You can get into our classes if you're interested, and I think I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.